Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a easy tutorial on how to cancel subscription in Vimeo. So let's get started. First, let's have a look of Vimeo subscription packages. You can get a free package by just signing up and it will provide you 1 GB storage and 1 seat. Also, you can get a starter pack that are worth of $12. Then the starter pack that cost you $20. Then the advanced pack that is for $65. This is annual price and this is monthly price. You can see you can grab one as you want. Now head to the main step. You just need to click on your profile icon and go to your settings for canceling your Vimeo subscription. Now from the setting option, you just need to find out the billing option and click on it. When you purchase a subscription from Vimeo, this will show up in this section. As I don't have any Vimeo subscription, that's why it's not showing in this section. But when you purchase one, you can get information about your subscription. Then you can get a cancellation button like this and click the cancel button, and the cancellation process will be completed as soon as you give the proper information to Vimeo. You also can contact to their support service by going to the footer menu, and you will find the help center menu here. Go to help center. In this page, the very first option among all these options is account and billing. Click on it. From here you can discuss about your account and your billings and other issues related to your account and subscriptions. For canceling a subscription, you just need to go to manage your accounts plan. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find cancel my subscription option just right here. Click on it. Then they will give you some instruction and guide that how can you cancel your subscription. They will show you as I explained earlier in this video. You also can call them to their service center and talk to a representative about the cancellation process of your subscription in Vimeo. They will be glad to help you. That's all for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful. Give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon, and we will come back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.